I'm back with another video. Today I am going to put up my Christmas tree. I'm just really getting ready to do that. I'm trying to make a little reels about it just so I could be active on Instagram, because I really do not be on Instagram. I gotta run to some stores real quick because we out of toilet paper. My Christmas tree is right here. It's in the closet. It's all tucked away because this apartment don't really got no storage. And then last year I had, well, not last year because I didn't even put my Christmas tree up last year. The year before that, I put up these decorations. So I don't know if I want to still keep that same color, because I really honestly wanted my color scheme to be like gold, but I could never find any gold. So I'm probably gonna put the Christmas tree up, but I might try to see if I could find some gold accessories for the tree maybe. I don't know. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to find them, but whatever. So I'm gonna see if I could try to find the gold accessories, and then if I can't, I'm gonna just stick with what I got. Yeah, I'm gonna go to some stores real quick and then do the beginning of these reels, and then I'm gonna try to, like, what's the word I'm looking for? Oh, put up the Christmas tree. So I'll be back, y'all. So gloomy outside. Like, this just don't make no sense. Okay, y'all, I had to stop at McDonald's. Y'all know it's like a routine for me. I'm always at McDonald's. I don't know why. I had to get some fries because I'm kind of hungry. But there was $1 for a large. Don't play with a girl. I don't got nothing to drink. Oh my god, I'm finna be choking. Okay, I'm finna go to Pop Shelf, y'all. I'm not finna record because I know they're playing music, so yeah. Okay, y'all, so I found the ornaments because I want to definitely do gold this year for my Christmas tree. And then I got some Q-tips and some candy and some spray. But this is what I really wanted. I need to get tissue still because they don't sell tissue no more. I really came here for tissue and them ornaments, but they don't even sell tissue no more. So now I have to go to the dollar store to get some tissue. Period. I'm gonna try to go to, I think I'm gonna try to see if there's any tissue on sale at Kroger, and if not, then I'm gonna go to Walmart and get some. And then I need to go to the dollar store to get the, that's crazy, I be forgetting stuff so fast. I have to go to the dollar store to get, wow, I really don't know what I had. I know I have to get some cleaning spray, but it was something else. Okay, y'all, I'm at the dollar store. I'm just really not, like, messing with my hair. I might take that extra scrunchie out because it's giving ugly. But yeah, I'm at the dollar store. I'm finna run in there. It's raining like crazy. Like, and I had the nerve to wear them stack pants with some freaking slides like a crazy person and no freaking jacket with just this little cardigan. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm finna go in there, get what I need to get, and go, because I really honestly hate going to the dollar store. It's always never nobody at the cash register, and it gets on my nerve. And I always want to be having like 2 or 3 things, and there ain't never nobody up there to check me out. Okay, y'all. Y'all, why do I feel like somebody just scratched my car while I was in the store? Like, I'm about to get pissed off because what? Like, look at that. This was not there when I left the house. That's retarded. Like, it's okay. Don't let it ruin the day. But that's about to blow me because you just scratched my car. And this is why I don't like parking next to folks, because they either don't know how to drive or they don't care. Like, I'm finna start parking far, far, far away like everybody else be doing when they got them luxury cars. I don't even care. You know what? I don't even care. I'm not letting that upset my day. So I just came across, like literally across, to go to Walmart. Because I don't know who hit my car or whatever. I don't even care. Like, I really want to get a new car anyway, so I don't care. But I'm over here at Walmart. I'm about to see if they have the last thing that I need for the tree, and if not, I'm gonna just say bump it and go home and put it up so I could do whatever else I gotta do today, because I know I got something else to do. I just have the worst memory in the world. But I'm gonna go in there and see if they have the little thing that I need. If they don't, oh well. I picked up some of this to use on my car for that scratch, and I think I'm gonna make some type of pasta tonight, so I need that. And this to try on my car as well if it doesn't work. I'm freaking ready to go. I don't even have time to put the Christmas tree up no more. So yeah, y'all, I got these right here, and then this is gonna be the tree skirt. I don't know what it looks like for real. I hope it's a circle, but it says it's a tree skirt. And then I got the tinsel things. And then I went to the store and I got some cleaning stuff. Got some fabuloso. Got some awesome spray. What else did I get? Oh yeah, I got the vinegar for the car, like I told y'all. And then I got some food stuff, making dinner. And then I got some stuff for me. I bought this because I couldn't find those. But now, I don't know if I want this anymore. I might return it. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it. But I wanted those originally, but I couldn't find them at the dollar store. So I had got this. Because I didn't feel like going to Walmart, but I ended up going to Walmart anyways. Oh yeah, y'all, and I got me a mochi. So I got me a mochi. I love mochi, y'all. Let me see how I open this. I was like, I knew I bought me a snack. I just can't remember when I bought it, but I bought it at the dollar store. They selling these at the dollar store. That's lit. It's like, if y'all don't know what mochi is, it's like a little piece of dough with like ice cream in it. And you're supposed to eat them like frozen, but this one got thawed out, but I don't care.